Hello again. This video is on week 1 and the discussion board. All the assignments are in the week button, so let's go ahead and click on week 1. If for some reason week 1 is not visible, there's a little triangle in the course map button that allows you to hide it and have it appear. So you just click on the triangle button. Each week assignments are due. They're usually shown in red. This week is on chapter 1 and it is due by August 29th. The first assignment is the discussion board. Let's go to the appropriate button on the left and click on the discussion board. The discussions are ordered in the newest at the top, and the newest one will always be the one that's open. It will indicate it by being in black and a little triangle on the left. Let's go to open forum. Open forum is optional. If you just have any questions about math, you can put it here. You can click on respond to do that. If you know an answer to another student's question, you're welcome to answer it as well. You do not get any points for this. Discussion 1, week 1, is required, and it is graded. So let's go ahead and look at that. Task 1, tell the class a little bit about yourself, is due on August 29th. To do that, you just, under week 1, click on respond and answer, or tell the class a little bit about yourself. Task 2, which is due September 1st, is responding to at least 2 other students' posts. To do that, you click on a student's post, scroll down, read it, and hit respond. Here's my post. This is a little video of me, so you can see what I look like. Let's scroll up and do discussion 2. Back to discussion 2. This discussion, you will be asking and answering classmates' math questions. To get full credit for this, you must participate this in repeatedly. You can either ask 5 questions, or you can respond to a minimum of only 2 questions within 24 hours. It's a whole point system worth 10 points. You can do a combination of both. So you need to read that paragraph to get the details of that. To get full credit, you need to do the following. The first one is the one I'm going to go over. You have to write actual math question and use the math symbol when asking a question or answering. So let's go ahead and do that. To do that, let's click on respond. When you hit respond, notice it goes back to the top of the page. You just have to scroll down and a new screen does appear. In the subject matter, I want you to put where the problem came from. So somebody is reading this, they can know where it came from, and it's better for studying. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to ask a question from 1.3 homework problem number 2. And then you're going to type in the question in the paragraph right here. So let's go ahead and do that. The question is, are the expressions -5 squared and parentheses -5 squared equal? So the next thing I need to type is math. So to type in math, I notice there is a math equation editor, x squared button. I have it highlighted. I'm going to click on that. We get a new screen. I need to click on new equation. I obviously need to install my new Java, but I'll just skip that right now. It might ask you if you want to run this application. You need to say yes, because you do need Java. In the equation title, this one you can put in anything you want. You will be doing each new equation a new title. So I'm just going to put 1.31 for my first one. And in the body, main body here, I'm going to type in a negative. And then for the exponent, the left button, you notice that there's a exponent template right there. I'm going to click there. And that template should appear. It's not. There it goes. And I'm going to go to the one that looks like an exponent, the menu, type in a 5, the right button. At 2, if I wanted to keep on typing and not get out of the exponents, I would have hit a right button again, but I don't need to. And then I'm going to scroll down when you're done with your equation and click on Save and Insert. It should appear at the body of your paragraph. There it is. Finishing this question, I will do it again. Math equation. I've actually already typed in this one in before. It's called 1.32. So if you've already typed it in before, you can just click on it and go to Insert. So here's the question. When you're done, you scroll down and click on Post Response. I will leave this question up, so if you want to answer it, you're more than welcome to. When you're done, go back to week 1, because that's the week we're working in, and go to the next assignment. I'll stop here and make a new video on how to watch the actual math videos and do the homework.